Enjoy the Florida lifestyle. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage pool home with a southern rear exposure. Air conditioner replaced in 2015. Roof replaced in 2014. New water heater. Furnishings are negotiable. Mature landscaping. Solar heated pool. The main sliding glass door, guest room sliding glass door and the kitchen window are all pocket doors. This property would be a great primary residence, second home, vacation home, or investment. Close to Sun Splash Family Waterpark, Fort Myers, Matlacha, Pine Island, Cape Coral Yacht Club, Tarpon Point, and Cape Harbour. Easy access for boating, biking, walking, beaches, golfing, airports, shopping, restaurants, parks, boat ramps, and much more. No HOA dues. Schedule your showing today.